This guy's apartment was kind of like the apartment from the movie Big, if that movie were rated X. All of this was like weird, but I was like, I could still sleep with this person. This is what New York does to you. He had this huge rug that looked like a Scrabble board. He was a Scrabble enthusiast. Instead of a couch, he had this huge pile of hundreds of mismatched throw pillows.
I went home with a couple, because that's what one does, right? So meet them at a bar. They were both really nice. They loved antiques. I was like, I love antiques. Great, this is gonna work out.
The kicker though was that his whole living area was wallpapered in magazine photos. Some of them were covers from like, Time or magazines you've seen, and some of them were pornographic images. And this is like pornography of all types. Pornography I was not even familiar with the genre of, just like really crazy wall art.
And so we're going to their house. I open the door and we go inside and it's filled with coffins. And I freaked out. I was like, they're like, no. This is our business. I'm like, yeah, your business of killing people. And no, of course. He's like, I'm a mortician. This is my grandfather's business. I run a funeral home. Like, calm down. I said, why would you take me through the back entrance? Like, we should go to the front door.
So my friend set me up on this blind date. Like, God knows what reason why I'm back at his house. We're just back at his house now. Then we go into his room, and on his bed is just this like pile, like mound of just like Shrek dolls, like Shrek paraphernalia, like all just like Shrek the ogre, like everywhere. And then I never saw him again.
The most surprising thing that I've seen walking into someone's apartment was a miniature porcelain house collection. It was about 3 bookshelves worth of miniature porcelain houses. I knew it was the last date when he started talking extensively about the porcelain houses. But that was my fault. I shouldn't have asked about them. But what do? You see that you have to talk about the porcelain houses. They're in your face, they're right there.
There was just rings. It was, I think I call that bathroom the Lord of the Rings, because there were just rings everywhere, like a ring around the toilet, a ring around the sink. The dirt had dirt. I got out of there.
We had just come from a bar. I had to use the restroom. When I went to use the restroom, I realized it was the smell. It was the smell. His cat litter was holding open the door to the bathroom. I was like, all right, I gotta navigate this. So I just kind of shoved it to the side. That ended.
The bathroom was very small. There was a tub in there, but everything was just like grimy and dingy, and she had roaches. And for me, coming from a very clean home where I used to always clean my room and clean my house, you have creepy crawlies everywhere.
I realized halfway through this date with this guy, I didn't know his name, because his name on Tinder was different from his actual name. But he took me back to his apartment, and his apartment was covered in Papa John's boxes. Like, not Domino's, not Pizza Hut, Papa John's boxes. I think his mattress was on the floor too, now that I think about it.